Okay, so one of the things that we're going to be doing in this session that some of you might have some problems with is understanding how to do some of the copy and paste. So here I'm going to reopen the index.html in Dreamweaver and take note that I have it in split mode. So and it's in both, oops, I have it in, sorry, design, and I'm going to have it split. So it's this is considered the code, and this is considered the design screen. And then if I double click on this word home, some of the work that we had to do in this session was being able to add the links to these words. And the way that we could do that was after we had selected this, we could go to the insert panel and click on this hyperlink, and you could modify this. So since I already did it, it's already been changed with the links. Um, but here I would, uh, let's say that I pick on something else on here that I wanted to put a hyperlink on. So let's say I selected this one here, and then I wanted to give it a hyperlink. So I could say hyperlink is HTTP against the clock.com. Okay. And then I could pick the self or whatever. Um, since I want to bring up a new external window for this website, I would select new. But if I wanted to use the current window, I would use self. Okay. So that would change this link down here. Now, another part that we should have learned in this session was being able to copy and paste this duplicated work that we did on index.html into the other files. So what we can do here is if we were to just select here, you can see on the bottom the sort of the tag selector hierarchy. You can see that first is body, then nav, UL, and then LI, and then the anchor. But we're just gonna select UL, so it contains this whole portion here. And I could do like that. And then I could either come up here and do copy, or I could just do right click and then copy. So I'm gonna copy that and then close. I'm gonna save it, save this file, close this, and then open up the about file. And here, I could just select this portion. Now, if I tried doing edit paste here, it didn't quite, but it did work this time. So you could actually, what I did was just gonna undo that. I selected here, and then I say select and then paste because the contents was saved in my clipboard. And then I do that. So now all those link changes I've made here from the index HTML is now in the about. And then we're going to repeat this in the other files. So I'm going to do that with events and so forth. Okay.